What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage back on the video, man. Today you see me back at the crib, man. I finally came back to the crib, man. We're going to talk about 3 sneaker releases that came out today, and one of them I have right here, which I did an early review and on feed on, which is the Air Jordan 1 OG Red Phantoms, man. And also you had 3s and you had some Yeezys. Boy, we about to talk about that. Before we get into this video, make sure you ring the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another post notification, live stream, or anything that drops on the channel. Subscribe to your boy and go follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, and go ahead and hit that thumbs up. You know, our goal for every video is 100 likes. Y'all help me get there right now by smashing that thumbs up, man. Now let's talk about these sneakers, man. All right, as you know, I copped the Air Jordan 1 Red Phantoms maybe 2 weeks ago. They came out real early here in the States, and I had to jump on them. I was feeling the colorway. Usually I don't buy sneakers just to review. If I do a review early and I'm not feeling them, I don't do on feet. But these right here, I caught my attention. I really was feeling them, and I got them, man. So you check them out right here. Got that nice off-white sail colorway. You see I beat these things up. I was wearing them when I was in the States, and they held up pretty well, man. I did not hit the Secret Protect or anything, so you can see the bottoms right here. Might gotta brush it off a little bit, but you know, with your Air Jordan 1s, they kind of look better when you wear them. Kind of look better when you crease them up and stuff like that. And this leather quality right here, perfect for the creasing and stuff like that. Like I said, it's way better quality than the Air Jordan 1 metallic reds. Y'all know the quality on those, and the navies that they dropped was terrible. Like, that's by far terrible quality. And the crease in those shoes look like just a straight line from that hard, stiff leather that they gave us on those metallic reds. But on here, like I said, dope quality on the back, all around the shoe, man. And you also, I didn't mention in the review, they have a nice little tumbled feel on the Nike check. So it's a different like type of leather than this right here. So this leather is totally different from the leather on the toe box, you can clearly see. And if you got your pair in hand, I want you to check it out real quick. The leather on the Nike check is kind of the same as the one on the toe box right here. But in here, panels right here and right here is super soft. It's super like plush, as I would say, man. So shouts out to Drummer for giving us that dope quality. And like I said, this is by far like one of the dopest sneakers to release this year, and ones in general. You know, last year they kept giving us ones, and this year kind of feel like they slowed down a little bit. And we got this one that I copped this year, and we got the Air Jordan 1 Turbo Greens, which are freaking, they just fuego, man. Kind of that same little nice quality feel with the Turbo Greens as you see with these right here, man. So let me know in the comments below right now if you cop these Air Jordan 1 OG Phantoms, and if you have not checked out the on feet, I might throw it in at the end of this video so y'all can check it out. So I did a little quick review right here, and I'm gonna throw the on feet so y'all can check it out. And maybe you didn't know that I did an early review like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I don't remember, but I copped this shoe beginning of this month, man. So yeah, I'll go check that out, but I will throw the on feet at the end of this one right here. So did you cop or did you drop? Let me know in the comment section below, man. Hit that thumbs up for your boy right now. Let's get the video to 100 likes. Next we have the Air Jordan 3 Air Maxes, man. You got the 3 different interchangeable Nike swooshes, and they're still sitting on the sneakers app. And I was tempted on getting them because I don't know, they kind of fire, kind of like this colorway right here as you're seeing with these. But you have the Safari, or like the little Cement 3 Nike swoosh. You got the red one, you have the reflective one, I think, as well. I'll put the picture up right here, but they're a dope sneaker. You know, I don't have a lot of 3s in my collection, but these 3s right here is something I can see myself copping just because I don't have a lot of 3s, and they hit it with the Tinker Hatfield model with the Nike swoosh. And as y'all know, after I got the Black Cement 3s, the True Blue 3s, I started copping the Tinker Hatfield ones, man. So hopefully I might cop on sale. If they keep sitting like this, man, I might cop on sale. Usually that's how I do. If the shoe sits, if the shoe sells, I kind of see where I want to go with the price range, stuff like that. And these sitting, hopefully we can get them on sale. Hopefully Nike send me some coupons and I can cop this sneaker for under retail, because you know they hit for $225, and that's kind of steep when you're thinking about an Air Jordan 3. Usually we seeing that $190 for all 3s. But this one I can see why they did the $225. It's kind of like the Air Max Day feel with that retro feel with that Tinker Hatfield, man. So I kind of see why they boosted up by 30 bucks, man. But I would like to get them for under $190, you feel me? So if I use that military discount, get a couple of dollars off, you know what I'm saying? I would love to cop this sneaker, throw it in the collection. And this would be like one of those retro feels to the collection, man. And I can throw it in for the lookbooks, because I want to do a vintage lookbook, like an old school kind of thing, like the joggers, the sweats and stuff like that. I want to throw that in one of the lookbooks as well. Y'all might see that next month. All right, next you have the ADIDAS Yeezy 350 V2 Clays. This is the sneaker that I talked about last week, and I was saying, are y'all gonna cop or y'all gonna drop? Because this sneaker right here, I feel like are boosting the market for Yeezys, man. They boosting the market for the 350s, because y'all know last year everybody was like, oh, 350's dead, 350 dead this, 350 dead that. And now people are going out buying them now. And I don't know what it is, bruh. It's the same Yeezy 350. I don't know what changed. I don't know if the colorway is hitting harder for people. But this one right here, I feel like it's hard. Like all the Yeezys I feel like been dropping are dope, man. The GO 700s, I want to cop those as well. But y'all seen they have an all black. I'm gonna put a picture right here. All black 700 model, which is crazy. And I know that 3M reflective is gonna be just dope, man. They're gonna make those 700s. Those gonna go for like 500 just because they all black. You got the 3M reflective. You can rock it with anything, man. So I'm definitely gonna cop those as well. You already know I got like 4 pairs of 700s. Got a couple pairs of 350s, and I want to get some 700s as well. There's just a lot of shoes that I'm trying to catch back up and get because I missed out on a lot of them. And the price is a little steep, man. The price is a little steep. So y'all let me know right now if y'all cop these ADIDAS YEEZY 350 V2 Clays in the comment section below. Was it a cop or was it a drop? And let me know in the comment section below if y'all feel like these shoes were limited. I have not seen a lot of videos over these 350 V2 Clays because I thought they released when I did the other video like last week when they dropped the other 2 colorways, the Hyperspace and the True Forms. Those are kind of limited, and I don't know if these are kind of limited. I haven't checked StockX for the price, and I'm trying to figure out, are they limited, are they not, or what's going on? Is the colorway just popping, or what is it? Let me know in the comment section below right now for your boy. All right, that is it for this video, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if you copped any of the 3 shoes, these right here, the Air Max 3s, or Jordan 3s, or the Adidas 350 V2 Clays. I would like to know that in the comment section below. Let's get some conversation going. Y'all share the video for your boy, smash that thumbs up for your boy, and follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Y'all already know the goal for every video is 100 likes, so y'all go ahead and smash that thing right now. And with all that being said, you guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.